Hello! So today we're going to the Skansen Zoo and we're going to be seeing some elk, some deer, maybe a bear and such animals. Now before I spoil it too much, this is how the place looks inside, and let's go see some animals. Hello guys, so this is my mom and she's help channel and she
manage this channel.
Manages it.
Mine.
Baby sheep.
So now we're going to the water world. What is this? These aren't monkeys. Ooh, wait. We can go pet lemurs. So in here, we look at these fish, marine sea creatures. This reminds me of Animal Crossing. Whoa. Look at this. Is the forever jellyfish. It doesn't die. Ah, it's the moon jelly. If you want, you can pause the video and read what's there. These are the babies when they're still small. This is when they're still attached to a piece of wood or the wall. And here there are these. Ah, up here there's also one. There. And here there's some flounders. Yeah, he looks so weird. He just has some tiny fish. This is how deep the ocean is. Down there is still like under 10 centimeters, 20 Celsius, and then it keeps getting colder. 400 meters down. So y'all, in here they have some carp, roach, bream, tench, perch. And here there is giants. Here is a male salmon behind there. Big white one in there. And there surgeon! Look, that's a surgeon, and they lay eggs, and those eggs are caviar. But some flounders, they're not laying dead. They bury themselves. And better. Okay, so what's this? We're going to see the elk at the highest floor. See you there. So now we're up here where the elks should live, behind here, and we're going to see them. So we have soon arrived at the elk, and behind here there's some Nordic stands, Viking themed, where we can get some stuff. The elks are somewhere behind here. So this is how the Swedes used to live.
No, not like when you sit on a chair, but with thick pillows, you lift it.
This is how they made the wool. They span it. I mean, yes. Some old Swedish fences, like you can see here, and there should be elk somewhere behind here, but I don't know where. Ah, here are the Nordic creatures. I badly said animal. Found the goat, greatest of all time. Our old Swedish huts. Some
Alltså de ser allt.
Jordaflödet är ett så omställning.
Yeah. It's all bikes. Moose, moose, elk, 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 elk. There's an elk. My first one I've ever seen in my life. Look at him. Here's the elk. So down here there are some things living in here. I do not know what, and I also don't see anything. A seal.
I saw something.
There's a seal down there. I want you to look at the surface. Some birds, some peacock. There's a quite fishy smell. One, yes. Now we're going down to the bears. Hold my hand. In front here are the bears. Yeah. Look. Look up there. There's Mr. Brown Bear. Eating. Here they have the coolest animal. It isn't a skunk, it's a wolverine. They're so cool because look at this pig. This big boy. So y'all, we're going to eat some food. We're really hungry. And after that, we're going to see some behind here. Hello. It's eating it from my hand. It's kind of my picture.
Put the fruit on the rock.
Now I could do a bucket list item, and I could feed a squirrel from my hand and touch it. I'm going to try elk meat for the first time.
Yeah, they have
Some wild fried elk, and it's going to look like this, and I need to try it. So this is my food with elk meat. Let me taste it. First I'm eating elk. So, trying elk meat. It tastes like berries, but it has this wild flavor, and it's grassy somehow, and it tastes like forest. Okay, also I'm going to be trying this. Already opened them, so I can now show you guys. I'm going to try these wild chips. Ew. Smell. It smells like absolute forest and bored. Bottoms up. Extremely gamey and a reindeer burger came from my mom, and she's trying. Let's see it. Yeah, so here they have these Swedish goodie stands with boba and sun. We're going to take. What are bobas?
Mine.
But taro
That's
matcha. I'm going to try the one from my mom. Matcha tastes special. I'm going to try matcha. Now we're here, Jim. Here, come. Now we're here at the reptiles, and we're going to the lemurs. lemurs or monkeys. Or they're King Julian. Where's Mr. I like to move it?
Hold your hand.
Look here. Can I touch him? Ah, look.
I like to move it.
Oh,
It's
here's a crocodile. Here are fossils from different animals. Ah, an elephant head. Elephant. Wait, is this from a real elephant? Baboon. I don't know what that is.
Look at this head.
Look, a walrus head. Walrus. This is from wait, whose head is this? Dolphin. This is a, what is it called again? Beaver. Okay, what is this? Stop. This could be a rhino. Yes.
I got the
Rhino. Macchiato. Okay, what's this? Orangutan. Scary baboon. Wild pig. Wild. I'm wrangling a crocodile. I'm wrangling him. You have to go down this side.
We wanted to see reptiles.
Matata. It ain't no passing craze. It means no worry.
Nah. A scary baboon. Buzz. A scary baboon. Look at this baby baboon. Tirantula! Ooh, this guy needs to wear some clothes, actually. Don't go in for No. Electric eels. Electric eel. He can he can create his own electricity. Look here, there's a turtle. Look at this giant snapping turtle. Look at these giant snappers. And here they have stingrays.
I think you can touch it.
I don't see any stingrays. Look at the great white's mouth. There's only a bulletproof glass here. You could eat me.
Make a photo.
Behind here is a logo for Moses. This is the skeleton of the largest lizard living today. Behind here they have
Monkeys.
Come. There are monkeys in here. So now I'm going in the rainforest. Look at that! There's a lizard. I'm in the jungle. I think there are monkeys in here. There's kind of some snakes. They're probably not poisonous snakes. I don't see any animals. Lizards. Look here, there's a lizard. So much water. This is a Giludia from the USA. Look at this. Now we're in America. Yes, I see it. So here there's a snake. Australia is always cooking up the most dangerous animals. Look at this from the old Australian outback. They're saying in Texas. Black-tailed rattlesnake. There are 2 rattlesnakes in here. And here that's the boomslang. What's a name? I don't see any boom slangs. Up here, in the tree. It shattered its skin. That's its skin. And here's the snake.
Touch cobra.
Here, y'all, and I think you can touch. What is this? Bugs. Should I touch them?
No.
I'm going to touch a hissing cockroach. Ew. Why is he so?
Spider on the back legs, if you want.
Here's the tarantula. Should I touch him? I'm scared. Touch him. I touched him now. It was quite scary, but I touched a tarantula. King cobra.
And it's actually behind them.
Where is he?
It's there.
Subscribe. I touched a tarantula spider, so you have to subscribe. Watching and see you in the next one. Don't forget.